Hi guys and welcome back. Today I am participating in the $5 Goodwill challenge, which is hosted by Hilary from Old World Home. I love taking part in the Goodwill challenge. I've done this loads of times, but I usually do something with my mantelpiece. And I decided to do something a little bit different this time. I saw this in the charity shop and a cake stand, and I really loved it. I looked at the exchange rate and $5 is about £3.80 at the moment, but this was £2.50, so this was a bargain. And it's got things like fruits and berries and little leaves around the edge. It's such a pretty design, and I thought it made me think of autumn and what I could do with the cake stand. So it's also my daughter's birthday this weekend. She's going to be 9 tomorrow. So we're going to have high tea. Now, in the UK, high tea basically means that you have afternoon tea in the afternoon. So we're going to have scones and cake. And what I wanted to do was have a bit of an autumnal theme. So Emily and I went blackberry picking the other day, and we had such a lovely time picking blackberries ready to make an apple and blackberry loaf. My father is also has celiac disease, so I have also made him some white chocolate and raspberry blondies so that he can also join in with the high tea. I also made some very traditional scones with beautiful and delicious strawberry jam. I just love the way that everything works on the table. I love the autumnal colours that have come out in the tablecloth and in the flowers. I just love the way that the apple and blackberry loaf really epitomises the season for me in the UK, with all the beautiful colours and the berries that we have around us. I think the cake stand actually works really well, and I'm definitely going to use this more. I have previously got the jug for another Goodwill challenge, and I think they actually fit together really, really well. So I'm really pleased with the way that it all works. Thank you again to Hilary for hosting the Goodwill Challenge again for this autumn. I love taking part, and I really enjoyed putting together this high tea to celebrate the challenge. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to subscribe then please do so. I love sharing things like this, but also other projects, tips and lots of organising ideas for your home. See you next time. Bye.